I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Okay, y'all, so today's video, I don't even know where to start. This is just like a random video that I really didn't even plan on posting, but I felt like I am trying to be as honest and as transparent with my subscribers as I can. So I just decided that I will go ahead and post this video. Y'all, please don't judge me. Everything I'm about to say is true. But yeah, okay, so let me start off by saying this. Let me tell you what prompted this video. Okay, so I had a couple of people send me messages on YouTube that was just like, hey, you know, they didn't send them together, but each message basically was saying that they hadn't seen my hair in a while. And so instead of me responding to the messages, because I was like, is everything okay? I said, you know what, I can do a video. When I said I could do the video, I said, you know what, I feel like I can't post the video. Like, how can I post this video when I'm supposed to be telling people what they're supposed to do to their hair and I'm backtracking? You know what I mean? But, so long story short, the reason why I haven't been wearing my hair out in videos, really any videos this year, the only video, I think at the beginning of the year, I posted a winter wash and go video, and then when I did the Shea Moisture review, you saw my hair, but I only had my hair out for that particular day to do the video for y'all. All the other videos, I have been wearing my hair in twists and protective styling, and I've been protective styling like throughout the week for work, even on weekends, because y'all, my hair, like, it seemed like I almost took like 5 steps forward to take six steps back. So right now, I just want y'all to know that I am going to continue to post videos, but I have experienced setbacks with my hair. So that's why when I'm filming videos, you mostly see my hair in protective styles. Now, I do have some videos of product reviews that I already did that I still need to post. I am going to post those. So most of y'all know that I started my natural hair journey in March of 2013. So I made my 5-year mark like less than a month ago of, you know, my natural hair journey. And I can honestly say that y'all, 2017 was like the worst year for my hair ever, like even from when I started in 2013. So I just feel like I have experienced like extreme shedding, problems with split ends, and also knotting. Like, if y'all remember, if y'all watched the video I did that was titled, I think, The Ugly Truth About Single Strand Knots, the picture that was in there, those were my knots, and that was just from half of my hair. I wasn't even finished with the other side of my hair when I took that picture. And I have other pictures of like my hair shedding and all this other stuff. But and let me say this, I don't think that, well, I know for a fact that the products that I have tried on my channel did not damage my hair. So let me put that out there in the atmosphere before people be like, oh, you blaming products. I'm not blaming products, okay? Even this one particular product that I tried that just totally destroyed my hair, I feel like the knotting, the shedding, the split ends and all that, that just doesn't happen from one product review or anything like that. That happens over a period of time. So I don't think it had anything to do with products that I tried, and I'm going to continue to try different products on my channel. Now, here's where we get into how I ended up, you know, where I am now. And y'all can take it how y'all want to take it. This, I'm just speaking my truth. So I have been doing my hair long enough to know what to do for my hair, what works, what doesn't work, things of that nature. So I started my YouTube channel last year in 2017, and I can honestly say in the beginning when I first started the channel, I feel like things were still normal, meaning my routine was normal. You know, I was posting videos on a regular basis, normal, all that, everything cool. Now, I think once I got into the YouTube world, and let me just say this, just because I'm in front of the camera and I'm making videos, that doesn't mean that I'm exempt from hair setbacks, marriage problems, you know, when people have problems with their kids, weight issues, nothing. Just because people are making videos, that doesn't mean that they're exempt from anything. So let me put that out there. I have the same issues as y'all do. The only thing is sometimes people are in a situation that I felt like I was in, where they feel like they can't share the information with the public or with their subscribers because they feel like they'll be judged, you know, because like I'm preaching to y'all and then I'm doing my own thing, you know. So I feel like in the beginning of 2017 things were fine. Now I think where things changed was trying to like grow my channel and grow my Instagram page and stuff like that. And what I mean by that is I have said several times on my channel that I'm not really like a wash and go person. And 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, okay, that's 4 years I just counted. In those 4 years I probably did maybe 2 wash and goes max, you know what I'm saying, for all 4 years combined. Last year in 2017, I don't know how many wash and goes I did. Now, let me say this. I feel like there are a lot of people on YouTube and a lot of people on Instagram where they only do wash and goes mainly on their hair. When they're styling their hair or they're trying new products, they're going to do it in a wash and style format because it works for their hair. They may do twist outs, braid outs every now and then, but the majority of the time they do wash and goes. I'm the total opposite. The majority of the time if I'm trying a product, then I'm going to be trying the product and do like some type of twist or something like that. So wash and goes are not the devil. However, I feel like if you don't do what you're supposed to do, for me, then they can be the devil to my hair. I get the most volume from wash and goes. So I feel like in 2017, I was doing more wash and goes because it looked the best. And let's just be real and just keep it honest with everything. The natural hair world is no different than the fashion world or whatever. You know, fashion world, they have the models that are very, very skinny because they feel like that's more appealing. In the natural hair community, hair world, whatever, the bigger the hair, the better. So like I said, I get more volume from wash and go. So I was doing wash and goes more often because I felt like I would get more likes from that, get more shares, get more clicks, you know. On YouTube, if my hair is bigger in the thumbnail, because sometimes if people aren't familiar with their channel and they're scrolling for videos to watch, they're going to base what they want to watch on the thumbnail. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? And so I felt like I got caught sipping the Kool-Aid, sipping my own Kool-Aid, and got caught up in the hype of what is quote unquote normal, or what's pretty. Let me say that. What's pretty in the natural hair world. And that's where I got caught up, as opposed to staying true to what works for me, or doing what I'm supposed to do, you know. Then I feel like that's where the setbacks came in, because at the end of the day, I can do, if I wanted to do a wash and go once a week, I could do a wash and go. But here's the thing. If I do a wash and go on my hair, then I already know, okay, if I'm doing a wash and go, I'm going to have to do my hair twice that week. In 2017, I just wasn't. You know, if I did a wash and go, instead of me, you know, redoing my hair after the 3rd or 4th day, I would wear my wash and go until it was time for me to wash my hair again or do a product review again for y'all or something like that. And then at that point, it's like, it's at the point of no return, because I have a very short window with my hair. If I notice that it's time for me to do my hair and I don't do it that day or the next day, by the time I get ready to do it, my hair is already like matted up in the back. It's extremely dry. It's very fragile, you know. So I feel like between that window, I need to go ahead and take care of my hair. And I didn't, you know. And am I ashamed? Yes. You know, because I'm like making these videos telling y'all what to do. And then I'm over here chasing clicks and likes and views and, you know, stuff like that. So I just feel like it happens to the best of us. I'm human like everybody else. And yes, it took a lot for me to make this video, but I just wanted to be honest with y'all. You know, I mean, that's the reason why you haven't seen my hair out, because I'm protective styling, because my hair is not where it's supposed to be. And like I said, I already knew, like, okay, my hair wasn't feeling the same. But what happened was I was going to do a 5-year hair anniversary video in March, and I was going to straighten my hair. And I was like, there's no way I can straighten my hair. I went back and looked the last time that I straightened my hair, and then I just looked at my hair and my ends and all that, and I'm like, there's absolutely no way I can straighten my hair. Now I just felt like if I were to straighten my hair now, I would be so disappointed. I would be afraid to even see where it was now. It could be around the same length, but even if it is the same length that it was last year, then I need to do a lot of trimming, you know, because I'm, like I said, I'm pretty sure my split ends are, child, gone with the wind. Okay, they tap dance and doing their own thing. So I wouldn't be where I would like to be, you know, because maybe the last 2 years of my hair journey have been about retaining my length, and I've been able to do that. And then, I mean, who would think that me starting a YouTube channel to help people with natural hair would be the worst year that I would have for my natural hair? Me personally, I never thought that would happen, but hey, like I said, it did. I'm in the process of going back to the basics and doing what I did before to get my hair to, you know, where it was at its healthiest state. Because I feel like at the end of the day, when we are, you know, looking at people's hair, we're only looking at their hair. First of all, let me say this: people only show you what they want you to see. Let's be real with that. You know what I mean? But that just goes back to being consistent. You know, what I was trying to do was, you know, go to work my 50 hours a week at my job, doing YouTube on the side, and trying to film and post videos on a regular basis, being in a long distance, you know, relationship, planning a wedding and all that other stuff. And I just feel like I got lazy. It is what it is. You know, I got lazy. I wasn't doing the things that I was supposed to do. But like I said, I wanted to share that with y'all. I am back on track, trying to get my hair to where I know that it needs to be, and just be me. You know, I just feel like at the end of the day, if people click on my videos and my hair are in twists and that's not appealing to them, then just click off the video. You know, I don't want to be judged anymore on how big my hair is and, you know, stuff like that. Like I said, I fell into the hype of what I thought people wanted to see and what I felt like was pretty based on what you see out there. Because if you really think about it, in the natural hair community, I feel like the majority of the people that are doing the whole natural hair thing probably have a kinky, coilier type of hair. But that's not what we see on TV. You know, when they come out with curly hair products, most of the time you see people that have more of a wavier hair, or like a looser curl, maybe like a 2-3 type curl as opposed to a 4, like, you know, really tight. And so I feel like when people portray a certain thing as being pretty, I mean, sometimes you just want to fit in. And like I said, I was trying to grow my YouTube channel, grow my Instagram page. So I was more into, you know, bigger, better, as opposed to, okay, bigger and better is fine, but at the same time, you still have to maintain your regimen. So that's where I fell off. I didn't maintain my regimen. I am going to continue to do wash and goes. You know, I won't be lazy like I was in 2017. If I do one, then I know where my max line is to, you know, redo my hair and all of that. But like I said, so that's what's been going on with my hair. I'm not keeping no secrets. Yes, my hair is real. My hair is not fake. I took my hair down for y'all today because I have been wearing my hair in twists every single day, and redoing the twist, washing my hair, redoing it again. But I took it down today to do this video. And like I said, just do what works for you. And I had already told y'all in the beginning, when you start your natural hair journey, I know at least the first couple years I was going through my, what I used to call my Felicia twist, or my little Miss Celie twist, where I was twisting my hair all the time, wearing it to work, trying to lay my little baby hairs down and put a little makeup on to, you know, judge myself up to look presentable. And I feel like it worked, you know, regardless of what I thought that the public felt about the way that I looked, or people at work. I felt like at the end of the day, my hair was being nurtured. My hair was very healthy. It was growing. And once I reached a certain length, I was able to retain the length. So now for me, everything is about health. And health should be the most important thing in your natural hair journey as well. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate all the love and support. Y'all don't even understand. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what some of your natural hair setbacks have been. Let me know if there are any other products out there that you guys would like for me to try. And until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.